how to use the Market Rent Estimator tool on affordablehousing.com. If you do not have an account, you can click on the Owners tab in the left-hand corner. In the drop-down menu, click on Market Rent Estimator. On this page, you can enter the address and number of beds for the unit that you're interested in getting an estimate on. The rent indicated here may not be the market rent for your unit. Use this only as a guide. Your unit may rent more or less depending on many factors. Once you've filled out the information, click Get Estimate. Along with free rent estimates, you can find out if specific features of your property might bring in more or less income. Features like an attached garage, covered parking, proximity to schools and parks, security cameras, wheelchair ramps, elevators, or walk-in bathtubs could affect the rent price. The Market Rent Estimator will also provide information about comparable properties. Local housing authorities will perform an independent evaluation on your unit as well. If you already have an owner account, you can go to your dashboard and click on Rent Estimates in the left-hand menu. You'll follow the same process as before. Enter the address and number of beds. It's important to note that this feature is intended to provide only an estimate on rents in your area. Your estimate will show you a graph featuring factors such as county, city, zip code, and mile radius for the unit. Here, you'll be able to see the average rent for each.